Well, hello guys. If you have been following up with my updates, you will know that uh, this 1 billion profit per hour started from just nothing. So how come I was able to make 1 billion profit per hour in in such a short period? I want to teach you guys that now. Now, one thing you should know is the first thing: avoid greediness. Just avoid greed. That's the first thing you should do. Then you go to this improve. Then you start upgrading all these your cards here. Just start upgrading them. So you have personal, office, and team. So you just start upgrading. Upgrade means you just buy them with the amount of money you are having. So if I were you just set out a time because according to this S Empire, they said they are going to launch between what's it called between September early to October early October. So what you just need to do is just to if you just use everything you're going to mine for 2 weeks to upgrade. So make sure you always come every 33 hours to claim what you are mining. Then everything you are mining, just use to upgrade your card, just use to buy the cards. Then watch how your earnings will be increasing. So if you can take that risk, before you know it, you're already headed to millions and billions of coins. So you can see I'm earning 1 billion coin per hour currently. So 3 hours I'll be earning 3 billion as the case may be. So just try it and see for yourself. Thank you.